Saint Ita of Killeedy, January 15th. A noble Irish maiden defies her family's marital plans to consecrate her life to Christ, establishing a renowned monastic community and school that nurtured future saints. A heads up in the spirit of transparency. Please be advised that this content may include ascetic extremes. On January 15th, the church remembers Saint Ita of Killeedy, a revered abbess from 6th century Ireland. She is known as the Bridget of Munster and the foster mother of the saints of Ireland, venerated for her faith, discipline, and counsel. Ita was born around 480 AD into the noble Dacey clan in what is now County Waterford. Her parents, Cenfalad and Necta, were Christians. From her early years, Ita showed a deep commitment to God and desired to dedicate her life to Him in virginity. When she reached an age for marriage, her father arranged for her to wed a nobleman. Ita, however, was firm in her resolve to live solely for Christ. She committed herself to a period of intense prayer and fasting. Her father initially resisted her wishes, yet after receiving a divine vision, he understood her calling. He then gave his blessing for her to pursue a monastic life. Following her consecration, an angel appeared to Ita in a dream. The angel directed her to travel to the region of High Conaill in Munster, modern-day County Limerick. There, she was to establish her place of resurrection. Ita obeyed the instruction. Upon reaching a place called Cluain Creadale, a local chieftain granted her land. On this land, she founded her community, which became known as Killeedy, or Sil Edi, meaning Church of Ita. At Killeedy, Saint Ita established a monastery for women who wished to dedicate their lives to God. Her community became known for its piety and discipline. She also founded a school for boys. Many of these boys later became prominent saints and missionaries. Her most known pupil was the young Brendan, who would become Saint Brendan the Navigator. Ita fostered him from infancy for 5 years. During this time, she instilled in him a love for the Holy Scriptures and the virtues of Christian life. Saint Ita was sought for her spiritual wisdom. When Saint Brendan asked her what 3 things God loved most, she replied, true faith in God with a pure heart, a simple life with a religious spirit, and bountifulness with love. When he inquired about what 3 things God most abhorred, she stated, a face that hates mankind, a stubborn heart, and a love of money. These teachings guided many in their spiritual journey. Her life was marked by extreme austerity. She engaged in constant prayer and rigorous fasting. One account describes a beetle-like creature that began to consume her side. She endured this trial with patience, accepting it as a form of ascetic discipline. Numerous miracles are attributed to her, including the healing of the sick and the raising of the dead, demonstrating God's grace working through her. After a long life of service to God and His church, Saint Ita became ill. Before her repose, she received visits from her community and many whom she had guided. She received Holy Communion and peacefully reposed in the Lord around the year 570. Her grave at Killeedy became a place of pilgrimage, where the faithful continued to seek her intercessions. Saint Ita remains a witness to the monastic tradition of Ireland and a revered figure in the Orthodox Church.